Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. In this analysis, with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, we will try to find out the trading behavior of these instruments, the entries, the exits and the take profits as well. Do watch till the end. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. The next update on global markets and commodities will be up just with the Asia cash session tomorrow early in the morning. So do press the bell icon. Let's start the day with gold here. Now this is the hourly chart for gold and you can clearly see it is trying to trade in this channel. High, lower highs, lower lows. It has achieved 1850 today, as I said today in the morning, that one can remain short below 1860 levels precisely. Now once again 1860 is a very good support, or rather I will say you can go short at 1857 again. This time if you see it trading below 1857, one can go short. The target is again 1850 and below levels. Probably it is trying to trade in a downward trending sideways channel. On the hourly charts, this is near to overbought. MACD is white divergent bullish. RSI looking downwards and appearing to be little bit bearish here. And if you look at the 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts too, see gold, if it tries to achieve high, see there is still a probability for it to achieve the channel highs. Where is the channel high? The channel high is here at 1890 levels. So this is the channel in which it is trading since long. However, now look at the 2 hour charts. On the 2 hour charts, this is a breakout candle and it, however, failing to achieve the highs here, there is a clear-cut resistance at 1870 there, and now it is trying to trade in this zone. So once you see it trading below 1857, one can go short. One can expect that it might try to achieve 1849 and below levels. That is what is my expectation. On the upside, if it breaks beyond this zone at 1865, then you can go long for 1870. So in between 1865 and 1857, don't trade. Now look at the 2 hour stochastic looking upwards. MACD is trying to converge and cross over. So if it crosses over, it will enter into bullish zone. This was oversold and that is why we can see a little bounce back on the 2 hour chart. Now look at the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts as well, this is a breakout candle. This was the trend and this is the breakout. Hence, it is only recommended once it drops below 1855 to go 57 to go short, and then you can expect a little drop which might take it towards further downside. How far this could go, see, this is still trying to create this channel, and probably once it falls below 1857 it will try to drop sharply. How far this could go, it will try to take it towards 1845 and below levels. So I'll be watchful, I'll be cautious, and any short entry below 1857 can be taken. So yes, this is what is recommended here. And if you look at the 3 hour charts, looking stochastic looking upwards, MACD trying to converge and crossover. If it has to sustain the bearishness, it has to remain, it has to trade in red. See, RSI is near to oversold again, so it is consistently RSI trading oversold. Now look at the 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts too, see, it has got its support here. It is trying to trade, achieve a high, achieve the channel high there. Now probably once it tries to break below the zone at 1857, probably we may see again a drop there, and the next support here is directly at around 1846 1845 zone. So I'll be watchful of that, and yes, a long entry is recommended only once it trades beyond 1865 levels. Now 4 hour charts too, this is near to oversold and it is sloping upwards, however with very minor slope out there. MACD is in sell and running parallel. RSI is oversold on the 4 hour charts as well. Now look at the daily candle. The daily candle, yes, here you can see it is trading in this channel clearly. At the same time, this is a, you can see, I will say a lower, it is an expanding triangle on the downside indicating more bearishness here. And yes, this is also, you can see 1850 levels, this is also the bottom of the Bollinger Bands here on the daily charts, and that is why it is giving it a very strong support. Below this one can expect 1845, and below that we may see a sharper fall which might take gold towards 1830 levels. However, I'll be watchful, I'll be cautious, because right now it appears that most of the indicators on gold are oversold. And yes, A long entry is only beyond 1865 and 1870, which is going to be a very strong resistance for any upward move. Beyond 1870, definitely it will fly towards 1878, 1891 levels. Now look at the daily stochastic. It is also still on sell, looking downwards, indicating probably bearishness out there. MACD is still on sell, wide and divergent, almost indicating bearishness. And see the RSI near to oversold. So considering this, let me summarize. So probably for the day, one can go short once you see it below 1857. And yes, when you see the level at 1855, put your stop loss at 1857 again and keep trading. Then the target is 1850, 1845 levels. It may try to hit 1845, and below that you can see a sharper drop which might take it towards, in fact, 1836 and 1830 zone also. On the contrary, if you see it trading at 1865, there is a possibility to go long. The target is 1870, but beyond 1870, if it sustains, there is a definite call to remain long, and one can expect that it is going to fly till 1870. It can drop again. Mark my words, till 1870 it can drop again on the downside, so stay cautious. But beyond 1870, I will expect that it is going to head towards or achieve 1878 and 1891 levels. So rather 1870, you can take it as 1872 levels. Remember, 1872 levels. Beyond that only I will consider this as bullish. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See, this is the hourly charts for Nasdaq 100. You can clearly see what it is trying to do. It is trying to create a symmetry out there, and once it drops below 13,000, there is a clear-cut opportunity for it to drop till towards 12,800. So once it drops below 13,000, one can go short. One can expect the first target is 12,950, which is a good support, and then it will try to drop towards 12,800 levels, and this will complete its journey which it is trying to create here, and it will trade in bearish zone. So this is my expectation. However, look at the hourly candle here. On the hourly candle also, it has achieved the channel high, and it has also achieved the channel low. The channel low is still very much there at around 12,880. I will be watchful of that. A probable drop now below 13,040. Yes, you can take a short entry for 12,980, and below that we may see a sharper drop. That is what it appears on the hourly charts. Hourly stochastic looking upwards. MACD is crossed over, just now crossed over, and it is still trading in a sell side, so I'll be cautious with the longs here. RSI is now at comfort zone on the 2-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, similarly, you can see it is trying to create this symmetry, and those who follow me must understand that whenever I say this, it happens mostly. And this pattern, this time either it will try to take towards 12,700 650 zone. Possibly if it breaks 13,000 and 12,950, we can see a sharper drop. However, on the upside, there is a clear cut resistance here at around 13,200 zone, so I'll be watchful of that. Look at the 2-hour stochastic looking upwards. MACD is in green and running parallel, indicating near term bullishness. And if you look at the 3-hour charts here, on the 3-hour charts, this is what we can see. Similarly, this is the reversal candle, and after this it is trying to create lower lows. However, only recommendation to go short is once you see it below 13,000, then only you can go short. But then the target 12,950 very strong, 12,950 and 12,900 very strong support zones. Below that we may see a sharper drop. This time the drop will not stop if it continues to do so. Overbought it was, and now looking downwards on the 3-hour charts, MACD is still in green running parallel. RSI not showing any sign here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, similarly on the 4-hour charts, it is clear that once it drops below this zone at 13,000, we may see a sharper drop here, and that is what can be expected. At the same time, if you see it trading beyond 13,200, go long above 13,200, go short below 13,000 levels, and this is overbought here. You can you can see that this is overbought, trying to drop from here. And if you look at the MACD, which is wide divergent, still bullish, I'll be cautious there. And the RSI not showing any symptom here. And if you look at the daily charts now, let's come back to the daily candle here. Now look at the daily candle, what it has achieved today. It is tried to, so where is the channel high? It is lying probably near to somewhere at around 13,300 levels, which is going to be a very strong resistance zone. At the same time, once you see it trading below 13,000 today, we may see a sharper drop and it will try to achieve the channel lows here, which is right now lying at around 12,650, 12,600 zone. So probably we may see these levels coming through if it drops and sustains below 13,000 and specifically 12,950 levels. So 12,950, 12,900, very strong support zone. Below that, yes, you can expect a fall there. Now look at the daily stochastic. This is near to oversold zone, looking upward from here. I'll be cautious. And if you look at the MACD trying to converge crossover, so there could be a bullish reversal also if it continues to do so. Considering this, let me give you the trading levels for the. So first let's talk about the levels to go long. One can go long if you see it trading above 13,200, then and then only. There is a possibility that if it breaks 13,200, we may see 13,280, 13,350. These are going to be a fairly strong resistance level for US100, and beyond that it will try to hit 13,440 levels. Most of you must be thinking that these are unachievable, but these are markets. We have to keep our eyes and ears open and our brain open too, so that it can accept the variance or the volatility in the market. At the same time, the short entry is below 12,980. I will recommend here you can go short below 12,980. The target is 12 the target is 12,945, 12,900. These, rather I will say 12,880. These two are very strong support zone for US100, and below that if you see it trading below 12,880, one can expect 12,800. Below that one can expect 12,650. So till here possibly it may try to achieve if it continues to drop from here. And yes, remember, it can be a swingful day, so first preserve your capital, keep shifting your stop loss to cost just in 20 to 40 points of movement. If you see it trading at 20 to 40 points in plus, put your stop loss in cost and then enjoy the trade. So keep doing this. Now let's have a look at US30. See, US30 on the hourly charts too is trying to create a symmetry out of this, and it has achieved this zone at around 32,900. And yes, there is a clear cut resistance here at around 33,080, 33,100 you can say. So once it trades above 33,100, the next target is 33,200, 240 zone, which is going to remain a fairly strong resistance. Only if it breaks beyond this zone one can go long. And yes, a short entry can be taken once you see it below 33,000 levels again. That is what it appears. But let's turn on the indicators here and try to find out. See, here too there is a little resistance on the upside at around 33,200 to 40 zone, and on the larger scheme of things we can see 33,400. If it continues to rise, 33,400 is definitely going to provide a stronger resistance. Look at the hourly stochastic, it was oversold, looking upwards. MACD running parallel, there is a possibility for it to cross over on the sell side. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, what it is trying to create, the support here at 32,900 is very much strong there. But yes, it can break 32,900. Breaking 32,900, it is trying to create a symmetry. One can expect a large sharp red candle which will try to take it towards 32,500 levels. So see, this is what we have seen: reversal, retracement, same levels, and again it will try to, this time the drop is going to be sharper enough for it to take it towards 32,400, 300 levels also. 2-hour stochastic looking upwards, MACD running parallel, trying to trade in green, RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, the 3-hour charts too are similarly, this is what is the consolidation zone. Lower highs at 33,200 and 32,900 is the support. Below that one can expect a sharper red candle. So I'll be trading with caution here. It is near to overbought but looking downwards, and MACD is still in green, running parallel. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, there is a clear stronger resistance zone here in between 33,240.50 to 33,350 zone. This zone it has to bypass, it has to surpass for it to remain in a bullish zone. Also, in my understanding, probably it may try to complete this reversal. If it drops below 32,900, probably we may see a sharper drop this time, which will try to take it towards 32,500, 32,400. This is overbought on the 4-hour charts, and hence a drop can be expected. Right now it is trying to trade in a sell side. MACD has just crossed over on the 4-hour chart, so that is a area of caution, and stochastic is comfortable. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, this is trying to create a reversal, and how high this could go, this can come back till towards 33,300, which may be the higher, and from there again we may see a drop. There is a certain support at around 32,900, breaking which we can see a sharper drop, and this time the fall can be extreme. So I'll be cautious in between 32,900 and 33,300. Yes, you can try to take a short entry at 33,300. Yes, you can try to take a short entry at 32,900 as well. On the daily chart, the stochastic is trading near to bottom. MACD on the daily charts is wide divergent, rather it is trying to converge, running parallel, and hence the movement may see a diminished here. And considering this, now let me summarize and give you the trading levels for the. And before I give you the trading levels, you can also join my VIP signals group and my mentorship course. The next batch is starting on 9th of May. Book your seats, only 4 seats left. So the sooner you join, the sooner you get the confirmation on your seat. The strategies taught in this course will definitely help you reap profits throughout your life. And if you don't have time to learn, you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email ID are mentioned in the description. Also, my free Telegram channel links are mentioned in the video description and channel description. So join that too. Now look at this, where to go long. So see, first thing is 33,180. Here you can go long. The next resistance is 33,230, and once it breaks this, we can remain long for probably 33,300 first target, 33,350 second target, and then it will try to hit 33,400. Beyond this, sky is the limit. It will try to hit 33,500 plus levels. However, it appears that I don't know. These are markets beyond yours and mine expectation. Probably we may see a little drop, but for it has to drop below 32,900. So rather I will say, now if you see it trading below 32,950, here you can go short. The immediate and very strong support at around 32,880 will come into picture, and if this breaks, we may see a sharper fall, which will try to take it towards 32,700, 32,500, and this time it can try to in fact well break below towards 32,400 levels, which is going to be a fairly strong support for US 30. So take your positions accordingly, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.